of a triangle. Area of a triangle is when we multiply 1/2 times the base times the height. Another way to look at this is area equals 1/2 base times height. Looks like that. That means we're being multiplying 1/2 times b times h. B is for base, h is for height. Now base is how long it is, and then the height is how tall it is. But it is not the length of the diagonal. So for instance, this would be considered our base, this is our height, and that would be our diagonal. Now, the height must meet the base at a right angle. This means that we have a 90 degree. This means we have a 90-degree angle right here. Now let's look at an example. Example 1. Find the area of the triangle below. So we have 8 inches, which is our height, and then our base is 14 inches. And so we know our area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the area is equal to 1/2. Now the base is 14 inches, and then the height is 8 inches. So all we would have to do is get our calculators out. So what we can do is go 14 times 8, which is 112, and then we multiply it by 1/2, which is the same as dividing it by 2, so we get 56 inches squared. Because anytime we have an area, we show it by taking the units and then squared. Now let's do another example. Example 2. Now a right angle is when two lines meet and they form the edges of a perfect square. So for this problem, we have 4 now as our base, and our height is 2 because this line intersects with this line and creates a right angle. Now, for us to find the area, we go area is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So 1/2. Now the base is 4. The height is 2. So what we can do is just multiply what's on top, and then we would divide by what's on the bottom. So if we were to rewrite this, this is 1 times 4 times 2 divided by 2. 1 times 4 times 2 equals 8. Divide by 2, we get 4 as our final solution.